What if I told you that one of the biggest financial mistakes first-time buyers make isn't about the house itself, but something they often overlook entirely? It's skipping out on essential insurance coverage. This oversight might seem like a way to save money in the short term. But trust me, the potential long-term cost of being uninsured or underinsured can be absolutely devastating. It can wipe out savings, create mountains of debt, and cause incredible stress. Let's be honest, diving into the world of insurance feels like navigating a complex minefield. You're bombarded with confusing terms like deductibles, premiums, coverage limits, and endorsements. It's easy to feel completely overwhelmed and unsure where to even begin. You might wonder what you actually need versus what's just an unnecessary add-on. You might worry about finding a company you can trust. This feeling of confusion and being lost is incredibly common, especially when you're already dealing with the complexities of buying your first home or making other big life changes. But here's the good news. You are absolutely not alone in feeling this way. Millions of people find insurance confusing at first. The important thing is that you're here, ready to learn. You've come to the right place. My goal in this video is to take the mystery out of insurance for first-time buyers. I'm going to break down the affordable options you need in a way that's simple, clear, and easy to understand. We'll walk through exactly what coverage is truly essential for your situation. We'll cover the core types of insurance you're likely to encounter and why they matter. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about making smart insurance decisions without breaking the bank. Think of me as your friendly guide, helping you navigate this process step by step. We'll focus on getting you the protection you need without paying for things you don't. Let's start with the fundamental concept. At its core, insurance is simply a financial safety net. Life is unpredictable and unexpected things happen. Accidents, illnesses, natural disasters, theft. These events can come with massive costs. Insurance is a way of pooling risk. You and many other people pay a relatively small amount, your premium, into a shared fund. If one person in the pool experiences a covered loss, the fund pays out to help them recover financially. It's about protecting yourself from potentially catastrophic financial events. It's not just about covering the cost of a car repair or a doctor's visit. It's about protecting your income, your assets, and your future financial stability. It prevents a single unfortunate event from completely derailing your life plans. As a first-time buyer or someone just starting out, there are a few core types of insurance you absolutely need to understand. These are the foundational pieces of your financial protection plan. First up is health insurance. This is non-negotiable. Medical costs in many places can be incredibly high, and even a minor injury or illness can result in bills that could take years to pay off without coverage. Health insurance helps cover doctor visits, hospital stays, prescriptions, and preventative care. Next is car insurance, if you own or drive a car. This is legally required in most places for a very good reason. Car accidents happen, and they can cause significant damage to vehicles and serious injuries to people. Car insurance covers damages and injuries you might cause to others, as well as damage to your own vehicle depending on your coverage. Then there's insurance for where you live. If you're renting, you need renter's insurance. This protects your personal belongings inside your apartment or rental home from things like fire, theft, or water damage. Your landlord's insurance only covers the building itself, not your stuff. If you bought a home, homeowners insurance is essential and usually required by your mortgage lender. This covers damage to the structure of your home and your belongings inside. It also provides liability coverage if someone is injured on your property. While there are many other types like life insurance or disability insurance, health, car, if applicable, and renters or homeowners insurance are the absolute core types you should focus on first as a first-time buyer. Now, the key to affordable insurance isn't just knowing the types. It's figuring out exactly what you need based on your unique life situation. Insurance isn't one size fits all. Your needs will be different depending on whether you're single, married, have children, own a car, rent an apartment, or own a house. Are you renting a small apartment with minimal possessions? Your renter's insurance needs might be different from someone renting a large house packed with expensive electronics and furniture. Do you drive an older car that's paid off? You might choose different car insurance coverage than someone with a brand new financed vehicle. The goal here is to assess your personal risks and assets. What would be financially devastating if it were lost or damaged? What are the potential liabilities you face? Matching the insurance coverage to these specific circumstances is how you avoid paying for coverage. You don't need while ensuring you're protected where it matters most. Think about your lifestyle. Do you commute long distances by car? Do you have expensive hobbies that involve valuable equipment? Do you have dependents who rely on your income? These factors influence the type and amount of coverage that's right for you. This is a crucial step in keeping insurance affordable. Insurance companies offer a wide range of coverage options, add-ons, and endorsements. While some might be valuable, others might be unnecessary for your situation and just add to your premium. Don't feel pressured to buy every single type of coverage or the highest possible limits right away. For example, on car insurance, collision and comprehensive coverage might not be cost-effective for a very old car worth less than the deductible. On renter's insurance, you might not need extra coverage for expensive jewelry if you don't own any. The key is to understand what each type of coverage does and assess if the risk it covers is significant enough for you to pay for the protection. Finding the balance means getting adequate protection against major financial losses without paying for unlikely scenarios or things you can afford to replace yourself. It's about being smart and strategic. Don't just say yes to everything offered. Ask questions about what each part of the policy covers and whether it's truly relevant to your life and assets. Once you know what types of insurance and roughly how much coverage you need, the next step is finding the right company. This is where shopping around becomes your best friend. Prices for the exact same coverage can vary significantly between different insurance providers. The best way to find affordable options is to get quotes from multiple companies. Don't just get one quote, aim for at least 3 to 5. You can do this online, through independent insurance agents who work with multiple companies, or by contacting companies directly. While affordability is important, don't choose a company based on price alone. It's equally important to find a reputable insurance company. Look for companies with good financial strength ratings, which indicate their ability to pay out claims. Check customer reviews and complaint ratios with your state's Department of Insurance or organizations like the Better Business Bureau. A trusted provider will handle your claims efficiently and fairly if you ever need to use your insurance. Taking a little time to research the company beforehand can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Securing options that fit your budget while providing reliable coverage is absolutely achievable with a little effort. Let me tell you about my friend, Sarah. When she bought her first car, she was on a tight budget. She saw car insurance as just another bill and decided to skip getting comprehensive coverage, opting only for the minimum liability required by law. She figured she was a careful driver and wouldn't need it. A few months later, she was in a fender bender. It wasn't her fault, but the other driver didn't have enough insurance to cover the damage to her car. Because Sarah had skipped comprehensive coverage, her own insurance wouldn't pay for the repairs. On top of that, she sustained a minor injury that required a few doctor visits and physical therapy. Without adequate personal injury protection or health insurance that covered the costs fully, she was left with significant medical bills. The cost of the car repairs and medical expenses quickly added up to thousands of dollars, far more than she would have paid for a year of better insurance coverage. Sarah learned the hard way that insurance isn't just an expense, it's protection against unexpected financial disasters. That one incident caused her immense stress and set her back financially for a long time. Don't let that happen to you. So, the solution to navigating insurance as a first-time buyer is simple, but it requires taking action. First, commit to learning the basics of the core insurance types that apply to your life. Understand what health, car, and renters or homeowners insurance actually cover. Second, take the time to honestly assess your own situation and needs. Figure out what level of coverage makes sense for you right now, avoiding the temptation to overbuy unnecessary add-ons. Finally, Take action today by getting quotes from multiple reputable providers. Compare prices and coverage side by side to find the most affordable options that still provide the protection you need. Understanding insurance doesn't have to be scary, and getting the right coverage doesn't have to be expensive. It's about being informed and proactive. Let's recap what we've covered. Insurance isn't about living in fear of what might go wrong. It's about empowering yourself with peace of mind. It's knowing that if something unexpected happens, you have a safety net to help you recover financially. Having the right insurance means you're protected from potentially ruinous costs. It means a car accident, a medical emergency, or damage to your home or belongings doesn't have to completely derail your financial future. Knowing you are protected allows you to focus on building your life, achieving your goals, and enjoying the things that matter most. Start small by understanding the basics and identifying your core needs. Then take the necessary steps to get quotes and secure your coverage. The peace of mind that comes with being properly insured is truly priceless and worth far more than the monthly premium. Are you ready to take control of your insurance and stop feeling overwhelmed? I've created a free Insurance 101 for first-time buyers checklist to help you get started. It walks you through the key questions to ask yourself and the steps to take to find the right coverage. You can download that checklist right now. Just find the link provided in the description below this video. It's a simple tool to help you put what you've learned today into action. And if you want more simple, easy to understand videos about insurance and personal finance, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I release new videos every week designed to help you make smarter financial decisions. This is Insurance Compass, helping you insure smarter.